Okay, today we have the Audi R8 that we supercharged back in the shop because it's missing something.
It's missing a big wang.
It's getting a big wang. Now that it's supercharged, it's only fitting.
Of course. So this car didn't come with a factory one, so we are taking measurements and going to cut our own holes and make one fit. So we have said wing over there on our table. Little baby lip.
Not acceptable.
It's going away for this guy. We're about to drill and cut some holes so that we can mount it.
What's really weird about this one is, you know, normally it only has the drill holes, but this, you have to cut like an entire square out.
Cut out this. Now you could go throughout the process of finding one of these that has the factory holes in it and color matching it to the car and etc., but the customer didn't want to do that, so
let's send it.
Yeah, so we're just gonna send it and cut it. So I will end up going through the second layer, get my base hole started, and I'll come back in.
We got little Matt here today.
You can say hi to all of our audience.
Hi.
The center one, I think I'm gonna take a step bit to it first, see how broad it will allow me to go. I will either end up finishing it with a file or an air knife, depending on how this works out. Most likely, that's not gonna be enough depth, so I'll have to pop a second hole for that square to set down in there. I don't think it's deep enough.
I say we have little Matt cut the rest.
Here, finish it. You gotta cut the rest of the holes and then mount that, okay?
No.
Why not? Don't be scared. Me do it? Okay. Should let it come off.
Yep.
Look at you, working on your first exotic. I didn't even see one until I was like 20.
So we decided to take it off so it'd be easier to cut.
Yeah, and safer. So I made my 2 pilot holes. Next I'll get my air knife and I'll start here and then I'll just work my way around this square and take a file to it.
Alright, time to test fit.
Inside or outside need to be trimmed
Outside.
out? Outside?
Yep.
Okay.
We have finally finished the cutting, the drilling.
The cutting is finally done.
Of course you're gonna make me drop it.
Okay, so we have the wing mounted.
Wing is mounted, done.
Time to see what it looks like for the first time. Oh, that's gonna look sick.
Yeah.
Oh, this view. So we are gonna put the final screws in and then we will show you guys what it looks like.
What do you think, Trev?
Dude, this thing looks good.
Extremely nerve-wracking day, but this looks awesome. I'm glad we did it. I'm happy it's over.
Yeah.
But it looks killer. I absolutely love it. Stressful or not, this is what I love to do. So, yeah. Thank you for letting us do this.